Why does it feel like we're doing everything right? College, jobs, side hustles, yet we're still broke and anxious. It's like we're running on a treadmill that never stops. We hustle harder, but our goals keep moving further away. We were told, get a degree, land a stable job, and life will be good. But real life hits different. Rent's wild, loans are heavy, and even small joys like coffee feel like luxury. It's like the rules we were taught don't work anymore. Then you scroll through TikTok, seeing girls your age traveling, buying homes, starting businesses, and you can't help thinking, how are they doing it? You start comparing, doubting, wondering if you're already behind. Here's the truth. The system was never built for your freedom. It was built to keep you just comfortable enough to stay stuck. And if you don't break that cycle now, 5 years from now, you'll still be trading time for money, wondering, what if I started earlier? Don't let that be your story. Hey loves, it's Sophia here. Welcome back to Sophia Cash channel, where we're all about helping you glow up financially. Hit that subscribe button and join our glow up squad because this channel is all about financial confidence and freedom. Quick note, this video is for education only, not financial advice. Today, I'm breaking down the Gen Z money blueprint -7 steps to design your dream life. Make money flow smarter and finally feel in control. Grab your iced coffee, your notes app, and let's glow up your money mindset. Before you make more money, you've got to think differently about it. Wealth doesn't just happen in your bank account. It starts in your mindset. When you shift how you see money, you shift what's possible for your life. Here's the truth. -70% of Gen Z feels stressed about money every week, but only 27% actually track their spending. That gap? It's not math, it's mindset. Knowing your numbers isn't boring, it's powerful. Imagine knowing exactly where your money goes. So when your friends say, let's go to Bali, you don't panic, you just book it. That's real freedom, not stressing over money, but letting it fuel your adventures. Most people treat money like a mystery, but smart women? They treat it like a strategy. Remember, the goal isn't more money, it's living life on your terms. Okay, bestie, real talk, your 9 to 5 isn't your forever money, it's just your seed fund. Think of it as the fuel that gets your dreams off the ground. You're not stuck. You're stacking your launchpad. Here's the move. Millionaires don't rely on one stream. They've got 7. But don't stress. You only need a couple to start. Think. Job plus side hustle plus digital skill. That's your power combo. Picture this. Your 9 to 5 covers your bills. Your Etsy shop pays for your trips, and your digital skills bring that sweet, passive income. That's real financial glow-up, freedom, not burnout. But warning, don't chase every trend you see on TikTok. Build income streams that actually fit your vibe and lifestyle. Like Kiyosaki says, don't work for money, make money work for you. Okay, besties, let's flip the script. Budgeting isn't about saying no. It's about saying yes to what actually matters. It's like giving your money a job so it works for you. When you budget, you're not limiting your freedom, you're unlocking it. Here's the glow-up formula. Try the 50-30-20ths rule. Half goes to your needs, a third for wants, and the rest for your goals and savings. And if you automate your savings, future, you is going to be living stress-free and soft. Budgeting doesn't mean you can't brunch, shop, or travel. It means you get to do it without guilt. When it's planned, every splurge feels intentional. You're living your best life and staying smart about it. Here's the real talk. Most people think budgeting kills the fun, but it actually funds your freedom. When you tell your money where to go, you stop wondering where it went. You're not just managing, you're mastering your money. The fastest way to earn more? Learn more, babe. In today's world, skills are literally the new money. The more you grow what you know, the bigger your bag gets. Period. Think about it. Learning tech, marketing, or content skills can boost your income by 50%. You don't even need a fancy degree. YouTube University and free online courses are literally right there. Now imagine working remotely from your dream city, sipping coffee by the ocean, laptop open, doing what you love. When your skills grow, your freedom grows too. So don't just scroll, study. Every hour online can either drain you or pay you. Remember what Warren Buffett said, "The more you learn, the more you earn." Saving isn't exactly glamorous, I get it. But here's the thing. Saving is what buys your freedom, not just your future. When you save, you're building your power to say no to stress and yes to your dreams. Start small, like 15% of what you earn. It might not sound huge, but that's how compound interest starts working its magic. Those tiny steps turn into thousands over time, and that's your money growing while you live your life. You're not saving for nothing, girl. You're saving for peace of mind, for options, for that cozy apartment or your dream home. Every dollar you keep today is a gift to your future self, and she'll thank you big time. Waiting to invest until you make more is like waiting to go to the gym until you're fit. It just doesn't work like that. Start where you are with what you have. Remember what Warren Buffett said? Don't save what's left after spending. Spend what's left after saving. Let's be real, social media makes it look like everyone's living that luxury life. Perfect vacations, designer bags, endless brunches. But behind the filters? Most of it's sponsored, staged, or just plain debt. It's so easy to compare, like, why am I not there yet? But girl, most of those luxury lifestyles are built on loans, not legacy. Don't let comparison rob your joy. Real freedom isn't about flexing what you have, it's about choosing how you live. Like being able to log off your 9 to 5 and spend a Tuesday at the beach just because you can. So don't chase aesthetics, chase assets. The real glow up isn't what's on your feed, it's what's in your bank and your peace of mind. You don't just need goals, you need a game plan. Because having dreams without a plan is like having a map but no destination. Let's turn your dream life into an actual blueprint you can follow every single day. Start simple. Write down 3 big goals: your income, your freedom, and your lifestyle. These are the pillars of your dream life, babe. Once you know them, you can actually start designing the habits that make them real. Then break those goals down into small, daily moves. Every dream life starts with micro habits, the tiny things you do every day that build your freedom and success. Consistency beats motivation every single time. Remember, wishing won't change your life, planning will. A goal without a plan is just a wish, babe. So grab your notebook, make your plan, and start building your dream life one page at a time. So babes, here's your Gen Z money blueprint. Shift your mindset, build multiple streams, budget smart, invest early, learn constantly, live intentionally. You don't need to have it all figured out. You just need to start today. If this video helped you, hit that like, subscribe, and share it with your bestie who's ready for her financial glow up. Drop in the comments, what's your dream financial goal for the next year? Let's talk about it. I'm Sophia, and this is Sophia Cash Channel, helping you glow up financially. Remember, your dream life isn't out of reach. It's just one smart decision away. You've got this, girl.